Hello everyone, this is Avya Saxena, your reporter for week edition of MSPS Campus Chronicle. To this week edition where we all together go around the campus, getting glimpses of these activities going around. It includes class activities, assemblies, sports, and many more interesting things. So stay tuned as there is lot of more to come. As you can see, the practice for 2nd October is going on in the campus. Here we are once again ready with the morning assembly. The faces are filled with brimming joy and excitement.
Om Gauri Putraya.
Because the term 2 is beginning today.
Make me all true. Today, O God.
A very cheerful morning to all of you. I welcome you once again. Today we all have gathered here for a special morning assembly. Here our future readers are getting the responsibility
Third Bhava,
for being the monitors of the month of October. Respected principal ma'am is badging them up. Once again, I am there with you all. Now, we are going to observe meaningful essays prepared by the students on Swachh Bharat. Swachhata or cleanliness is our obligation to encourage children to keep the environment clean and to spread awareness. Students were asked to prepare the essay on Swachh Bharat. In another section of class 5, we have more such students who have prepared such a meaningful and awarening essays. This is a step towards secured future, secure in sense of clean environment and availability of resources. We can see some catchy slogans written with vibrant colors and display. They are such a beautiful posters which are depicting the message of cleanliness. There are more such events of many students. Stay tuned. We will meet after some time. Today, we all have gathered here to celebrate the birth anniversary of two great leaders, Mahatma Gandhi and Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri. The event has started from the floral tributes to our great leaders by our respected principal ma'am. Now the students are dressed for a beautiful dance performance to embrace this movement with more happiness and joy. Here we have the skit depicting the life of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation, and our second Prime Minister, Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri.
जिसके विरोध में दांडी यात्रा निकाली, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी को जेल में डाला गया।
We have one more dance performance to make this movement more joyful and happening.
छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान गए।
Welcome back
in
A
a
very
way that
energetic
little
good
else does.
morning to all
With
the
these
viewers.
words of
Today,
Nelson Mandela,
we will
I
remain
wish
on the
a very
field
cheerful good
because
morning
our
to
Josh
respected Principal
annual
Ma'am,
sports
Vice
has
Principal Ma'am,
started.
fellow
And
colleagues
today,
and my dear
ma'am,
students.
our esteemed
It gives
principal
me
ma'am will
immense
host the
pleasure
flag
to
and
welcome you
announce
all
the
to
Josh
scintillating opening
officially.
ceremony.
Honorable Principal Ma'am is hoisting the flag of Josh 2024 and announcing the Josh officially. You can see the students performing an enthusiastic dance performance to show their moves on the field. You can see all the houses standing. We have 4 houses. Green representing Patanjali House, yellow representing Gotham House, red representing Panini House and blue representing Aryabhat House.
We swear that we will take part
Here our cabinet members are taking oath. You can see the light bearers taking the round of the field.
Thank you, ma'am. With this,
Again here to catch some more glimpses of the most awaited event, that is Josh.
Not allowed.
You can see the students gathering up for participating in race. You can see the students are ready to run 100-meter race. You can see they are running 100-meter race. Here we have girls competing each other enthusiastically on 100-meter race. They are giving their best. You can see the toss for volleyball is going on. You can see the match between Patanjali and Panini House has started. You can see the students cheering up for their teams. Firstly, I will take you to the AV hall where Shark Tank competition is going to happen. Here we are privileged to have our future entrepreneurs. Here you can see our future entrepreneurs presenting their products.
Which can do photosynthesis and provide oxygen.
Here you can see our sharks judging the entrepreneurs. Here we have another house representing their product. Now again we are here to explore some book covers as class 6 to 8 are having their book cover competition. You can see the students making book cover. You can see the students painting their book cover. The students are giving their best. You can see different colors. Now upgrading the level, we are having class 8 with the same competition, that is book cover designing competition. You can see the beautiful book covers they are making. You can see the beautiful book covers they are painting. Can we forget about studies when we are in school? Now I will take you to the library where the GK Olympiad competition is happening. We can see the students presenting their efforts to solve the question. Even teachers are helping them to understand. Now I will take you to the Doha competition again in the AV hall. Again, I am here in the AV hall. How can we forget about culture? For conserving our culture, we are having our inter-school Doha competition. You can see the students presenting their Doha with their meanings and essence. Here I am again in the field. Now I'll let you see the different banners prepared by different houses. This is the banner prepared by Greenhouse, that is Patanjali House. Here you can see the banner prepared by Red House, that is Panini House. Here is the participants of 100-meter finals. Patanjali! Here you can see the banner prepared by Yellow House, that is Gotham House. You can see the banner prepared by Blue House, that is Aryabhat House. Very happy morning to everyone. October, November, December, the most happening month of the school. Today I will take you to the campus where various activities are taking place. We have Shark Tank, Doha competition and many more. Firstly, I'll take you to the class nursery where they are having their writing competition. You can see the students of class nursery writing. They are having their writing competition. Here in class prep, we are also having writing competition. You can see the dedication of the students. Here you can see the students of different houses playing tennis. The match is between green, that is Patanjali, and blue, that is Aryabhat House. Here you can see the match, the throw ball match between blue, that is Aryabhat House, and between red, that is Panini House. Welcome you back at weekend with more happenings, more excitements and more events. So, first of all, I'll take you to the Hindi poem recitation competition by tiny toddlers of class nursery and prep. Wait, you have to be a very good listener as these tiny toddlers are speaking in such an innocent manner that we feel like to listen to them again and again. Now, guess what? Today I'll show you, though I cannot make you taste, the little hands will be doing wonders in cooking. Relax, they are doing cooking without fire. You can see also the teachers are instructing them. You can see the beautiful presentations by them. So you can see the students of class 1st and 2nd doing wonders in cooking. You can see the teachers judging them and asking them about their dish. Here I am again back in the field with more energy. You can see here with the beginning of throwball girls between Gotham and Aryabhat House. You can see the coaches judging and teaching them. You can see the enthusiastic match between Gotham and Aryabhat House. You can see the boys ready for relay 4 into 100 meter. Here you can see the winners. You can see the girls ready for 4 into 100-meter race. भागो, बैटल लो जल्दी, भागो. This is Avya Saxena signing off of this week. We will meet after some time.